Hello students, welcome back to our science class. So in this video we are going to continue with our second lesson. So in the previous video we have learnt about group behavior in animals and group behavior in bees, right? So now we are going to learn about nesting behavior in birds. So under this topic we are going to learn about the birds and how the birds build their nest. Okay, so shall we move on to the topic now? Yes. Okay. So birds are very different from each other. Yes. Every birds are not similar. All the birds are different from each other. So they live in different places. See, the birds will live in nest and they will under water and also in the ground. They live in different places. Okay, not in the similar places. Eat different foods. So birds will eat different food. So this is the picture of birds food. Okay, so it will have different foods and all the birds lifestyle will be different from one another. Okay, so birds are very different from each other and they will live in different places and eat different foods and they will have different lifestyle. Okay, some birds permanently live in groups. You can see this picture, right? So some birds will be living in group. They will permanently live in group. But some they will live. They will come together only during the breeding season. Okay. Some they will live as a group, and some they will form a group only during breeding season. So breeding season is the season where they will get multiply. Okay. The production of young ones called chick. Okay. In the breeding season only some birds will come together, whereas some birds will live permanently together. Birds also live in groups and each bird's group has a different name. So many of the birds will live group only. Okay, so all the birds group has different name. For example, flock of parrots, stare of cranes. So you can see, no, this is the picture of flock of parrots, the group of parrots we can call as flock of parrots, and stare of cranes. So these are the examples which it is a name for the birds group. Okay, so this also the different lifestyle it has, the different food it has. The birds will have different places and different foods and different lifestyles. So not all the bird species build nest. So all the bird species will not build their nest. Okay, so the birds have different species, right? So some birds will build nest and some birds will lay their eggs on the ground. See, this is the picture, bird laid on the ground. So some they build nest and some of them lay their eggs on the ground or in gap between rocks. Even between the gaps of the rocks also birds will build their nest. Okay, so where do birds build their nest? Different species of birds. Some species of birds will build their nest in the tree. Okay, and some they will lay their eggs on the ground and some they will lay their eggs in between the rocks. Okay, so they will be very different. They will have very different lifestyles. Each species will differ from one another species. Okay, so most of the birds build their own nest carefully like engineers. So birds are compared to engineers. So what do engineers will do? What do engineers will do? Yes, engineers will build their home, right? Build the home for us. So like that birds will also build their nest for their young ones. Okay, so birds are compared to engineers. So how wonderful, how carefully the engineer will work for their construction. Like that the birds will also work carefully for their young ones to build the nest. Okay, so birds are compared to engineers. So they build nest for their young ones. Some weave leaves, some use twigs, some build with thorns, then pad it with soft materials. So how do birds build their nest? Birds build their nest by using leaves, by using twigs, and some they will use thorns also to build their nest. Okay, so first they will collect all the leaves, or they will collect all the twigs, and they will collect all the thorns. They will arrange it properly, and they will collect some cotton or soft materials, and they will place it above the nest, so that it will be very soft for the young ones to stay. Okay, so like this the birds will build their nest. Okay, so social weavers do not build individual nest. Okay, so this is the picture. So you can see this picture. So all male work together and build a common nest in which 400 birds can be housed. So this is a picture of a nest. Okay, so more than 400 birds can be stayed in this nest. Okay, some species male bird will work together and they will build a nest for the 400 birds, and more than 400 birds also can be stay in this nest. Okay, so this nest has been built by social weavers. Okay, some species of birds are known as social weavers. They built together for 400 birds. Okay, they will live grouply, not alone. Okay, this type of species, they will live grouply and they will build their nest together. Okay, so this also the picture of together, the bird's nest, the bird which build their nest together. Okay, you can see this picture. Yes, next, green heron. This is the picture of green heron. What it has fish in his mouth, right? Yes, so green heron cannot swim. It cannot swim. This is a kind of bird which cannot swim. So how then they will eat? So it still eat fish, right, from the water. How? Yes, so how means it drops colorful leaves and fruits into the water. So this bird will collect colorful leaves and fruits from different places, and they will they will drop it in the water. Okay, so when the fishes pop out to investigate, when the fishes see the colorful leaves and fruits, and they will investigate, right, they will pop out to investigate. So at that time the heron catches the fish. Okay, it will wait silently until the fish come to investigate the leaves and fruits. Okay, so how do this heron will eat the fish? Yes, it drops colorful leaves and fruits into the water. When the fishes pop out to investigate, the heron catches them. Okay, so that's all. We are going to revise once again. Yes, so birds are very different from each other, and they live in different places. So they will eat different foods, and they will be having different lifestyles. Okay, so some birds permanently live in group, and some they will come together only during breeding season. So birds also lives in groups, and each bird's groups are known as it will have different name. For example, flocks of parrots, stare of cranes. You can see the picture of flocks of parrots. So not all the bird species build nest. Every bird will not build their nest. Some of them lay their eggs on the ground, and some they will lay their eggs on the ground, and some they will lay the eggs in between the rocks. Okay, so all the birds will not build their nest. Okay, so most of the birds build their own nest carefully, like engineers. So here birds are compared to engineers. So they will build nest for their young ones. Engineer will build home, whereas birds will build nest for their young ones. So some weave leaves, some use twigs, some build with thorns, then pad it with soft materials. So how do bird will build their nest? By using leaves, twig and thorns. Okay, so after preparing the nest by using leaves, twigs and thorns, it will collect some soft materials, and it will pad it inside the nest, so that it will be comfortable for the young ones to stay. Okay, next, this is the picture of a nest which has been built by all male birds. So social weavers do not build individual nest. Okay, So they won't build individual nest, they will work together and build a common nest. So this is a common nest where 400 birds can be housed. Okay, they will live together, not alone. Okay, so this is also the same picture. So last, heron. So heron cannot swim, so that what it will do, it will collect some colorful leaves and fruits, and it will drop the colorful leaves and fruits into the water. When the fishes pop out to investigate what it is, the heron catches them and they will eat. Okay, okay students, I want you to read line by line the paragraph nesting behavior in birds. Okay, so learn, read line by line, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the Zoom class. Thank you students.